मुख से कृत से निश्चल हो निर्मल मति से श्रद्धा से मस्तक नत से हम करें राष्ट्र अभिवादन, हम करें राष्ट्र अभिवादन, हम करें राष्ट्र आराधन, हम करें राष्ट्र आराधन। अपने हंसते शैशव से अपने खिलते यौवन से अपने हंसते शैशव से अपने खिलते यौवन से प्रौढ़ता पूर्व जीवन से हम करें राष्ट्र का अर्चन, हम करें राष्ट्र का अर्चन, हम करें राष्ट्र आराधन, हम करें राष्ट्र आराधन। हमने ही इसे दिया था संस्कृति उच्च सिंहासन, माँ जिस पर बैठी सुख से करती थी जग का शासन। अब काल चक्र की गति से वह टूट गया सिंहासन, वह टूट गया सिंहासन, वह टूट गया सिंहासन। हम करें राष्ट्र आराधन, हम करें राष्ट्र आराधन, हम करें राष्ट्र आराधन, हम करें राष्ट्र आराधन। तन से मन से धन से तन मन धन जीवन से हम करें राष्ट्र आराधन, हम करें राष्ट्र आराधन, 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 आराधन,
To sing तुम समय की रेत पर based on राग मलकांश।
तुम समय की रेत पर छोड़ के चलो निशान, तुम समय की रेत पर छोड़ के चलो निशान।
committee, the teachers, parents, and my young friends. Let me extend my warmest greetings to you on this wonderful occasion of the 66th Independence Day of this country. 65 years ago, we embarked on an extraordinary journey. There was no nation like India before. We have so many languages, cultures, religions, regions, races, a diversity unmatched in human history. Along with China, we have the longest continuing civilization of 5,000 years. When you think of India, do not forget these two things: the extraordinary diversity and 5,000 years of continuing civilization. You are all heirs to this civilization. The nation building is happening here. The reason why I'm so delighted to be with you all today is India is not being built in the Red Fort. It's not being built in the parade grounds in Secunderabad. It's being built here in these schools through these young, beautiful children. You constitute 54% of India's population. If you take everybody below 35 years of age, you constitute more than 70% of India's population. You are, in a fundamental sense, India. It's your duty to make the most of what you have, what is given to you, to build upon that, to make it better, greater, more glorious, and more wonderful for everybody. We have done a lot in the past 65 years. As I said before, these very diverse groups came together to build a nation. Never before did a population like this ever attempt to be a single nation. Under one flag, one national anthem, one constitution in one country. More than 500 princely states were integrated. You have named one of your houses after the great Sardar Patel. His greatest contribution to this country is he unified India as nobody else did anywhere else in the world. To unify just 9 Italian-speaking provinces, it took 23 years and the labors and statesmanship of many, many great people like Garibaldi, Mazzini, King Emmanuel III, and so on and so forth. To unify the German-speaking provinces, all of the same language, religion, culture, and history, it took blood and iron and the loss of thousands of lives. But our national leaders unified this country, more than 500 princely states of various religions, regions, and languages, with the least amount of violence. There was hardly any bloodshed or violence, except in the state of Hyderabad. And even the Hyderabad state where you are now sitting, we only lost 5 people. It is an extraordinary testimony to the resolve, the strength, the character, the vision, the hopes, and the dreams of our leaders and our people that we came together. You are studying in a wonderful school. Education is a superb tool to build tomorrow's citizens. Each of us, no matter in which family you're born, each of us is endowed by nature or God with enormous talent. Education is about nurturing that talent, is about making you wonderful human beings, giving you confidence, giving you power, giving you the capacity to change things, to improve things, to solve problems. Utilize that. It's not merely about examinations, it's not merely about ranks, it's about making us better human beings, better citizens, more capable persons, productive members of our society. to solve real problems in real world. True education means that we build on the past, but we build a future. You all remember the poem of Tagore, Where the Mind is Without Fear. In that poem he said, "Lead my country," he prayed to God. He said, "where the clear stream of reason has not lost its way into the dreary desert sand of dead habit." Understand your past, your culture, your tradition, your history, but reject what is wrong in that. Do not accept things merely because we're used to doing things in that manner. And build on that through reason, through evidence, through truth, through logic. And that is how human beings prosper. Each generation is better than the earlier generations because you all stand on our shoulders. Therefore you stand taller than all of us. You know much more than all of us. You're more exposed, you're more capable, you're more talented, you're more intelligent, and you can build a better India than we try to. As I said, there is enormous diversity in this country. This flag, we salute it, is about diversity of India. We are one nation. No matter what are the circumstances of birth, whatever be the caste or region or religion or language, rich or poor, educated or illiterate,